Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Buick Verano. Stock number is A7482. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. You have a rear backup camera on the back. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Verano on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.